How to save money fast. 5 easy tips you can start today. Are you struggling to save money? Do you feel like your paycheck disappears too fast? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 super easy tips that helped me save money fast, even when I had almost nothing. Tip 1. Track every dollar. You can't save what you don't track. Write down every dollar you spend for 1 week. Use an app like Mint or just a notebook. Most people find they waste money without even realizing it. Tip 2. The 24-hour rule. Before you buy something that's not essential, wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, maybe it's worth it. This one rule stopped me from impulse buying junk I didn't need. Tip 3. Cut the small leaks. $3 coffee, $7 lunch, $10 subscriptions, those add up fast. Cancel stuff you don't use and try making food at home. I saved over $150 a month just by cooking my own meal. Tip 4. Use cash for daily spending. When you use cash, you feel the money leaving. Try this. Take out $100 for the week and don't use your card. You'll be shocked how much you stop spending. Tip 5. Sell what you don't use. Got clothes, gadgets, or stuff you don't use? Sell it. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or local apps. I made $300 in one weekend selling things I didn't even remember I had. These tips helped me save money fast, and they'll work for you too. Let me know in the comments, which tip are you going to try first? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money tips.